An update on the coal scam then, and the CBI, we understand, has filed its affidavit in the Supreme Court. Now, sources say that the CBI has confirmed sharing the draft report on the coal scam with the Law Minister. Let's get in Suchetna Ray with the details. Suchetna.
In what could spell more trouble for the government, the CBI in its affidavit has owned up to sharing status reports with the Law Minister, though the CBI has clarified that it has not shared any of its status reports post the Apex Court's direction on 12th March that no status reports should be shared with the political executive. But CBI has also clarified that the last time that they did share a status report on the coal scam was on the 8th of March. They've also assured the Apex Court that the changes made by the Law Minister were rudimentary in nature. There were changes only in the language. The Law Minister left the spirit and the content of the CBI status report unchanged. In fact, in its affidavit, CBI has also filed the draft report showing the original draft report as well as the changed draft report by the Law Minister. And when CBI Director Ranjit Sinha came to file his affidavit, he has also clarified to the Apex Court that, as per protocol, CBI comes under the Law Minister, so it could, and it is not extraordinary that it actually goes ahead and shares the status reports with the Law Minister and consults him on matters as sensitive as the coal scam. But this perhaps might not go down very well with the opposition, which has been demanding the Law Minister's resignation, claiming that he has tampered and has changed the CBI status report, has tampered with the investigation the CBI is conducting into the coal scam, the alleged coal scam between 2006 to 2008, for which the BJP is also saying that the Prime Minister's office should be investigated.